gravity feeding system. It's the Pro version. The reason we say it's our professional version because this model is mounted with hydraulic feeding system. Well, seeing is believing. Let's try this machine and show how it performs. With gravity feeding system, you could have some difficulties to feed this type of wood, which the rotor cannot bite, now which will causing a bumping inside of the hopper. But with hydraulic feeding roller mounted on the machine, then you will have no difficulty to feed this type of wood. Let's see. With a lot of sub branches, so you also have difficulties to feed with a gravity feeding system, but with hydraulic, no problem. So with the hydraulic feeding system, you could have better chipping experience because all the sub branches can be rolled in by the hydraulic roller easily. Meanwhile, you could also have short pieces, big trunk, and chipped by this machine with no worry about bumping up. This is the professional version of R13. This is the version you might need for your more professional use or landscaping work or even rental business because it can save a lot of time and make the operating a lot more smooth. This is the chips produced by the chipper, and with these chips you can widely use it for different purposes, and of course with adjustment of the speed, so you could have a different size of wood chips. It's nice